In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history on Amazon. Now, while Amazon does not provide the functionality to permanently delete your order history, there are ways to keep your past purchases private by archiving them. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to Amazon's website, open your preferred web browser, and type in Amazon.com into the address bar, then press enter. Once the Amazon homepage loads, you'll see the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials, your email and password, to access your account. This step is essential because accessing your personal orders requires you to be logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find several options at the top part of the screen in the header. Look for Returns and Orders and give it a click. This link is your gateway to all your previous shopping activity on Amazon. When you click on it, it takes you to a comprehensive list of your past orders, neatly organized chronologically. Now let's talk a little about order management on Amazon. The platform doesn't allow you to completely delete orders from your history. However, you can manage the visibility of your orders by using the Archive feature, which effectively hides them from the main list of recent orders. This feature is particularly useful when you want to keep your order history clean or prevent certain items from being easily seen. So, when you're in the orders list, take some time to scroll through and locate the specific order that you would like to hide from view. Once you've found it, direct your attention to the right side of the order summary. There you will see the Archive Order button. Clicking this button will move that particular order out of your main order view and into a separate archived section. Remember, this doesn't delete the order fully, but removes it from your immediate order history, thereby achieving a level of privacy and organization. And that's essentially it. You have successfully archived an order, which is the best approach currently available to manage your order history on Amazon. By archiving orders, you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized view of your past purchases without permanently deleting any record of the transactions. Remember, you can always view archived orders later if you need to, so they are not gone forever. In summary, managing your order history on Amazon is all about knowing how to use the features available to you. Archiving is a helpful tool to keep your purchasing activity private and organized. If privacy and organization matter to you, don't hesitate to utilize this function whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful.